Hello 8th graders, your video for tomorrow is going to cover section 2.2, which is simplifying algebraic expressions. Need to review a couple of terms first, and coincidentally enough, your first term is term, but we're talking it in terms of algebra. So it's a number, a variable, or the product of a number and a variable. And I know you're thinking, what? Believe me, you know what it is. A term could be 7. A term could be, whoa, that was weird, 7x. Could be 7. It could be just a plain x. Okay, each one of those is a term. A separate term. You have a number, you have a variable, a product of a number and a variable. Like terms, terms that have exactly the same variable raised to the same power. So if I had 7x and 4x, those would be alike. And if I put a plus in between them, I could add them and get 11x. Okay, if one of them was squared, I could not combine them. They would just stay like that because I can't combine that. I can't simplify it any more than that. So in order to combine terms, the variable and the power must be the same. Otherwise, you can't combine them. So then we're going to look at an example here. If I have 6b plus 7k minus 4b plus 2c plus 4b squared. So if I need to, if the directions very simply say combine the like terms and simplify, I need to go through and I need to find things that are alike. And normally you write the things with the higher power first. So here I have a squared, so that one's going to be written first. There are no other squareds, so I can't combine it with anything, so I'm just going to write 4b squared, and I'm done with that one. You can cross it out if you want, so that you know you're done. I usually underline them, then I know kind of that I'm done, but you can cross it out. So then it doesn't matter if you put the b's, k's, c's, whatever next. I usually just go in order. If they all have the same power, okay, so 6b, and I have a minus 4b. You always look at what's in front of the numbers. So 6b minus 4b is 2b. It's a positive 2b, so it's going to be plus. And then I have a k and a c, so I'm just going to copy those down because they cannot be combined. So this is the answer to this, simplified. That's all you can do to it. You're basically just rearranging it. You're combining what you can, and then you're leaving it. So then, how about one a little tougher? Do this one. 2.3a plus 5 times 3 plus a. Alright, well before I can try and combine anything, I have to get rid of these parentheses. And if you remember anything from last year, this is the one property that I went over and over and over. Distributive property. Distributive property. Which means I'm going to distribute everything on the outside to everything on the inside. And since they're right next to each other, you're going to multiply. So 5 times 3 is 15. There's a plus here, and this is a positive, so it's going to be a plus. 5 times a is 5a. So once I have the parentheses gone, I can go ahead and just look for like terms. I have a 2.3 and a plus 5a. So that's going to be 7.3a plus 15. I can't combine anything else, so I just leave it, and there's my answer.